Yes. A long time ago. Will.
Why? That happens, though.
Everything happens.
Oh, guys,
What? What the fuck was your intro? You haven't got a song, have you?
Okay.
My dog ate it.
No, I don't have a song.
We should make a song.
Okay. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm joined with my lovely girlfriend. We're going to be doing a little tipsy get ready with me. We're going out tonight. I can't say I'm that heavy on the beverages. It's going to be that heavy on the beverages.
You will.
I had a blackout episode the other night, but we're going to be doing our makeup nonetheless.
Are they going to be juicy? I want juicy questions.
Best foundation ever, Jouer Essential High Coverage.
Is that curry in here?
I stole this from my mum.
It smells like paint. Oh, that's good.
So Manders, if you watch.
No, I think all is on his way. So.
I can't get it out.
All he's on his but
Well, not like on it, but he'll be here instead.
Which one's that? Have I met him?
Yes.
Orly, yeah, I swear.
I really don't remember any of your mates' names.
It's got like blonde hair, short back and sides.
Is he? Just a little
Well,
bit.
you're shaking the camera.
Sorry.
I'm really trying to take my time because you guys literally do your makeup in like half
No,
an
but
hour.
to be fair,
Mine takes 5 minutes.
my eyebrows are half done because I did them like.
I've just done all this with no mirror.
Have you? Okay, no.
What
It
is that?
sounds really
Why is
weird.
it-
What? I wobble my legs, sorry.
It's shaking
Stop
the camera.
wobbling.
Will!
Oh.
You wobble.
He wobbles his leg all the time.
How are you getting these questions? Like, where are you getting
On
them
Instagram.
I just put them on Instagram. I'll just leave it up for a few minutes to get some
I'm
decent
not even thinking about
ones.
how I'm doing my makeup because like.
So it's not, what's your favourite nail varnish? Favourite Yankee candle?
from? I don't have.
Oh
Remember Yankee
shit.
candles?
That's like some Zoella shit,
Do you
really,
remember the
isn't
days of
it?
Yankee candles?
I still have some.
Oh god, they're banging
I actually
candles.
have never.
But you can
bought
get the
a
same
Yankee
sort of thing
candle.
from Aldi. not gonna lie.
I remember I bought one for Ellie Thomas for her birthday once and she was so gas.
I never bought a Yankee
That's
candle.
how you know, like,
Are you not?
you're a true Instagrammer.
I've got this beach one, it's really nice.
I bought something
Pink
like
Beach,
Asda.
yeah.
Pink Sands.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I've smelled
One of
that.
them.
one, like,
It's really
that's the
good,
first
isn't
smell.
it?
And it smells really
How do you remember the first Yankee candle you ever bought?
Because it was a big deal, it was like 20 quid and I was like,
They are really expensive. And when I went to New York, I bought this one. You can't buy it in England. Look.
joking.
Do you know
Oh
this
yes!
one? It's
Jeffree Star loves
insane.
that one.
So tipsy, that gin is so strong.
Yeah, no, gin is strong, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
I don't even drink gin either.
I drink gin.
40%.
Is the
It's
exposure
40%?
on this? Yeah.
Well, that one is only.
Yeah, no,
Okay,
regular
now.
gin
Yeah, that
is-
one's 40.
No,
Jeez.
That's stronger than vodka.
That is quite strong.
Don't ever have pear cider. It gives you the shits so fucking bad.
Amazing!
I'm not joking.
What's it like being a living legend? Since you are hard.
Oh, what's that question?
So difficult.
I love mayonnaise,
Oh.
but not as much as ketchup.
Oh no.
I don't think they're really comparable.
Remember to watch out for the table, sweetie.
Yeah, I see that. They're completely different flavours.
What are your summer plans? Fun. This is fun.
Well, we're still trying to figure it out. I'm going to Beamtown.
I
I
do.
want
Are
to go to
you?
a festival.
That's all I've sorted.
Have you got your tickets?
Yeah.
Who are you going with?
Archie, Imo, Sarah.
I want to go
I'm
to
really
a
bad with this. I really can't
You're
control my
gonna be
language.
a-
Because I never get like told off for it. You probably do.
Me?
Do you get told off for your
Not
language?
really. My viewer demographic is like 18 to 21.
Really?
Majority of my
So it's
viewers
not
are-
What
like
does
young?
that mean?
They're older.
What's
Oh.
a viewer
Yeah, but are they
The
lying?
majority of my viewers are
But are they
18.
lying, though?
No, but I
They've
meet people
put
on
an
nights out
older
all the
age.
time and they're a lot older. My waitress in Wagamama's was a viewer. She was a lot older. Yeah, do you remember that?
Oh, yeah.
I remember her.
Boy, the last time when I went to Cheltenham,
I
I actually
actually
had an
watched
argument
Friday.
with the bouncer. Were you there?
Probably
It was
with
with
Tommy.
Tommy because he didn't realise that they get charged for like the perfume and he didn't tell me that it was a perfume. And he was like, I just got charged £2 for a week. And I was like, oh no, we're gonna have to talk to the bouncer about it. And I spoke to him and I got really angry. And I
What,
really-
Tommy?
I nearly walked
Yeah,
into the
basically,
boys'
you know the no
toilets.
spray no lay man in toilets.
No.
Where
you know
the-
when you go to
you like,
in the boys' toilets and he's like selling spray and he's like no spray no lay.
like
what's
if
that
you
mean?
have
Oreo
if you have a
wine.
spray, it's
There's
like
always
a
a bloke in
pound.
the toilet selling aftershave.
Yeah.
There are a lot of in Coventry, in all the clubs, they sell flip-flops in the toilet.
Yes,
Girls,
that's
how
the-
clever is that?
Yeah.
What flip flops? What?
For your heels.
No, that's
to take your
pastas.
toes off.
Pastas, is it?
Pasties?
No, pastas.
Oh.
What's that mean? I thought that was religious. Faster,
Pasta.
isn't it?
You've just put a
No, I
posh
swear it's
twang on
I
it.
swear it's called a street pasta, and they basically walk the streets.
I did that.
I saw one at Evesham the other day, not the other day, it was 7 months ago, and they were giving out flip flops.
The other day, not the other day, 7 months ago, me.
I think it was 7 months.
Literally, the other day could mean yesterday or like 3 years ago.
It all merges into one, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Really fucking scared for my exams, not gonna lie.
Oh shit, yeah, Maisie's doing A-levels, me and Sean aren't.
Yep.
Are you? No, you're not. But you're at college.
Yeah, but I'm not a dropout.
I've literally got 10 days to my maths exam.
I'm a dropout with a banging
10 days to
be
my
fair.
maths exam.
Oh my god, have you guys seen Lunatic?
No, apparently it's bad.
What's Lunatic?
My sister said it's really bad.
Is it a movie?
You
What is
know
it?
Chris Lilly, you know the guy that looks
Yeah,
like
yeah,
Jonah?
yeah.
He said like a whole new
Jonah?
series on Netflix. No, it's so good. Like genuinely. My favourite character, he's called Gavin. He's a 12-year-old and he's fat. And he is the most hilarious person.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Okay, here's a really deep one. What's better, Ariana Grande or Domino's garlic and herb?
Domino's.
I don't like garlic and herb, so Ariana Grande. Who actually, sorry,
I
who
always dip it
actually
in.
eats
I
the
dip the
sauce?
whole
Me!
thing. Mate,
Like
I dip the
that
whole
they
thing in.
give-
Wait,
I
try
get
it
a large.
drunk.
I get a
Try it
large.
drunk. It's completely different vibe
No.
to when it's sober. Trust me.
Sorry, hands.
It actually is. Can I?
Yeah, of course.
Is there like an eyebrow underneath brow that's not like gonna give me a flashback?
What
Just like
You don't
eyebrow
get-
highlight.
Yeah, like that.
That one.
It's glowy. You don't get flashback from eyeshadows.
You do a little bit if it's the right, if it's the wrong colour for your
What's the
skin tone.
flashback?
Oh my god.
It goes white. Yeah, but that's SPF and makeup.
Yeah.
It looks good when it's white. That's the point of it, isn't it?
It
Listen
looks
how
awful.
moist my eyelids are. Listen. No, it's really weird.
Yeah, we should get that checked out because it's not so good.
I've always had it.
I'm maybe I should go to the doctors. I've got moist
got
eyelids.
bruise.
Literally, they're overly moist. Like when I tap them, they just go.
Yeah, I heard it.
It's like a little wimp.
Honestly, I am not
too.
joking. Going on the pill, I don't grow leg hair anymore.
Oh yay.
I literally like hardly grow it.
Okay, I
It's
Is
so
it
weird.
like
It's
flossy?
stopped it. It's
Because
completely
mine's like
stopped
that, where it's like only
it. It grows
comes in
in
like
little patches.
tiny little patches.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's so weird.
feel
I'm
like
just
that's
like
not
that.
actually true.
No, it shan't. It genuinely.
Yeah, but I'm on the
genuinely
same
is.
one.
We'll say like, yeah, I grow it in patches.
Yeah, but everyone reacts to
I
things
got it,
differently.
yeah.
Like you didn't gain weight on microgynon, but I did.
I got this from Boots on the it's the Christmas deal. You know, you can get like 3 things for £2. No, 3 for 2 or something like that.
Sean coming in with the deals.
And it is so beautiful. I used this one as a
What brand is
highlighter,
that?
so it's completely disappeared. So nice. So you know, for future reference.
Get on it, ladies.
I'm not as tan as my face is.
What are your long-term plans for life?
No, I don't know what I'm talking about that.
I don't have any.
I'm a rich man.
Well, I just love filling in my eyebrows. It really gives me confidence.
I've already done that. So
Like, look at that.
Feel sorry for you.
Look at that.
I don't
Wow.
even need to fill out my eyebrows. I don't
Wow.
do that.
Wow, can't relate. Oh, how to pick yourself back up after a breakup. Love you. We love you too.
Block him.
Yes,
on
blocking is a
everything.
beautiful
That's
tool.
the easiest thing to do.
It's the hardest thing to do. It's the best.
It is the best thing I've ever done.
I also think if you remember that you were.
Ever.
There's no harm being friends after that stage though, do you know what I mean? If it's
I
your
couldn't be friends
first
with an
love,
ex, not gonna lie.
not to be cringe,
Couldn't do
but
it.
you're never going to forget them.
No, I'm friends with Jamie, but
You
it's
don't
taken like
forget
2
an
years.
ex, but you move on.
I've
from it,
always
you
been
move on.
mates on my exes.
If you want to get over someone, you've got to remember that you were happy before you met them, so you can be happy afterwards.
That's the hardest thing to remember though, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because it's hard to picture yourself
And I also
without
think
them.
a lot of it, when it's a bad relationship and it is just bad and it's
Toxic.
sort of toxic, you just got to remember the reason you want to stay with them is not because you're happy, it's because of routine.
Just because it's the
And you
easiest
can find
thing to do.
You can find routine in something else. If you give yourself a routine with the gym, like just give yourself a routine to replace it.
My
Obviously,
chest
like a
is
healthy
so
routine, not like
fucking
drinking or
pale.
something.
My ex told me when we were together, when he broke up with his...
Sean could film some story times about her ex.
When
Jesus Christ.
Oh yeah.
Psycho.
When he broke up with his ex-girlfriend, he blocked her on everything, and she was sending him bank transfers of 1 penny with like, you know when you can say like reference with messages
Watch out,
saying
watch
like unblock me
Oh, sorry.
on the reference of like a penny
It's how
transfer.
Will. How weird is that?
I didn't know that.
Oh, can I just say he cheated on me with her
Yeah.
This is
And then
On the
got
night
back
of
with her.
on the night of Sean's prom.
and then got back with her.
Driving update.
I want to know that my driving car is white and it's got Claire on top. I don't even know what car it is.
Have you got a car?
No,
No, that's her driving instructor.
Oh right.
I don't even know what car it is. I just know it says Claire
I
on
still
top.
don't know what my driving.
Yeah, driving with-
instructor's
Do you know
car
what?
is. Driving
Okay, I'm not the only one.
Oh, does YouTube affect your relationship? Do you think it does? I don't think it does.
No.
Because our
Probably
relationship
makes
is
it
on,
easier,
it's
you
not
can see
on
more.
YouTube though. No, it
I
does
think it
actually.
makes
It
it
has
cuter.
made it easier because it's like I have the freedom to sort of travel around.
And come
Like
to
I used to be able
uni.
to come and stay with you in London. I would not have been able to do that had I been at college.
But that's not more your income than your YouTube.
No, because I wouldn't have had the time. I would have had to been in college.
Okay, that's true.
Favourite drink on a night out?
Vodka Red Bull.
Yes, when you're tired and the football hits. Oh god.
No.
But most of the time I don't even have Red Bull, you have to have like Monster or something.
No.
I
threw
Red
up
Bull.
on that and now cannot do it.
Although you've never experienced a hangover until you've experienced a vodka hangover.
No.
In prison.
Wine
Birmingham.
hangovers are the worst.
Oh, that's true. Wine hangovers are another level of bad. Do you have any regrets about leaving school?
I haven't left.
Maisie's still at school doing A
No.
levels. I don't at all.
At all. In
I wish I
fact,
could leave, but I'm in too deep now. I've got 10 days left.
you've got 10 days left.
Yeah, that's it. But I've obviously still got exams after that, but my last day is the 17th of May.
Ooh, favourite baby names? Well?
Theo.
Joking.
Theo.
I like the name Theo.
By far. Theo, Hugo, any of them. Imagine looking at a little baby and I'm like, oh, you're Theo.
I love Effie for girl.
What's that?
Effie or
I've never
Blue.
heard of that
I love
before.
the name Blue
Like
for a
Ava,
girl.
like anything like
I love Lockie for a boy.
For a boy?
Yeah, like Lachlan, called Lockie for short.
Okay,
It's quite
I've
sweet.
never heard of
I'm
his
going to
names.
demo the last bit.
Or
of
Luna
this.
or Nova for a little
I like
girl.
Luna.
Luna or Nova. I think I'm gonna call my dog Nova. Sean, what's your favourite baby names?
I haven't really thought about it, to be honest, guys. Not
I imagine you calling
Have
your
you
child,
not?
like Raven.
Really I like exotic names.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Not Raven. That's too close to Javen.
Oh,
And it's
God.
also a fucking bird.
Yeah.
Imagine looking at
And
a baby
yes.
though and being like, oh, that's a Steve. I could
I
never
know,
do
imagine,
that.
that's a job.
Calling
I
your
could
baby
never
like
do that.
Vince. Do you know what I mean? Oh, baby Vince.
It's a
No, but
Dave.
like, that's a Steve. That's a John. Like,
He's a Keith, he is.
Such a cute little Keith.
Oh my god, we saw this man
Oh no, don't.
face plant
feel
the
bad.
ground on the way out of a Mickleton.
No, 'cause I
He
served
was
him.
absolutely battered.
I served him the whole day. He was
He
drinking
fell.
double brandies, just plain.
I'm
He had
so...
the whole. He had half the bottle
I feel
to
so
himself.
blessed. that
He
we
was
witnessed
by
that.
himself and he face planted the pavement. He
Really
fell
bad.
into a bush.
It was really, really bad.
It was so bad.
I
It
couldn't
was-
laugh though because I felt bad because I served him the whole day.
I
So I
feel
feel like
so
it was my
blessed.
fault.
He
Yeah, but
was-
I feel like it's my fault because I served him that. You know what I mean?
He was coughing and coughing and coughing. We thought he was going to be sick.
Yeah, he
and
had a lot of fags that day.
I
He
felt
kept
so
asking-
blessed
kept
that I'd
offering me
seen
them.
that. It's like, yeah,
Bloody hell,
okay.
it was so iconic.
I've gone
Do I look wet? So everyone, that is the end of my video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. I will leave their Instagrams on the screen here. Love Island, make sure you accept Sean's application.
Oh dear.
How did we not talk about that?
What do you mean accept
How did we not?
application? Is that how it works?
Yeah, they have to accept your application.
Oh, Love Island.
Okay,
Tag it in the video.
I will leave their Instagrams on screen as well as in the description box. Wow, look at those clouds. I don't know if you can actually tell, but they're moving. That's pretty fucking sick. I'm not gonna lie, I never realised that before. Basically, the camera ran out and not gonna lie, couldn't really be bothered to go and put it on charge for like 20 minutes just to film another 2 minutes. We were all pretty raring to go out, which is actually very ironic because little story time. Oh my god. So, oh my days. So the gin that Sean was talking about turned out to be a little bit too strong for her and we didn't make it past Spoons. Sean started peeking in Spoon. She got really tired. She started feeling really sick. I had had a really bad alcohol experience on the previous Friday, so I was planning on being pretty sober anyway. Not gonna lie, I was feeling pretty tired. I just wasn't really feeling the vibes of the night, so I said, okay, I'm gonna take Sean home. But Maisie was still raring to go, so my plan was to sort of take Sean home, get her settled in for 10 minutes or however long she needed, and then head back out to see Maisie. But after I've calmed Sean down, I get a text from Maisie who's staggering around Cheltenham at like 1 AM. I get Maisie home, order her a pizza, and all is good. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a lot more chilled. It wasn't as heavily edited because I just wanted it to be something to have in the background as you're getting ready. It's not one of those videos you have to be constantly watching to enjoy, if that makes sense. So please let me know if you enjoy this style. I still love like my Ken Burns and fisheye and pitch adjustment and stuff, but It's also really fun to just literally chill, sit in front of a camera and just get ready. I love, okay, I'm literally rambling so much. I love Sophia and Tinsia's, so I thought I'd like kind of do my own little spin on it. But yeah, I love you all so much. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. You can subscribe if you'd like to see more of me. I've got all my social medias listed in the description box down below. I'm most active on my Instagram, so make sure you go and follow me over there. I love you all so much, and I'm sure I will see you all very soon. Love you, bye.